係啦。
唔好啦，佢望你啦，點解衝過嚟撞擊你？好彩你真係着咗面巾咯，真係落出面。啊！
你個好大嗌咧！
喂，隻牛嚟撞你啦！
Good luck, cause there's a pit here. There's a pit now. There's a pit here. It'll give us enough time to make a run through.
但係真係望住你喎。
嗱，
嗰隻
一 A 次有冇？嗰種我喺個頭嘅嗰隻紅色嗰隻，
係咯，
紅色嗰隻。
你再 A 啊！佢走埋嚟啦，喐啦！
冇啊！
冇啫。
點解耳仔會係紅色嘅？
I think it means it's a male or something.
係咩？佢係整落去嗰隻紅色係想